Breaking news coming in at the moment. Actor Rashmika Mandanna has also condemned the arrest. In fact, Rashmika Mandanna, a co-star of Allu Arjun in several top hits, including Pushpa 1 and 2, in fact, has now come out to condemn the arrest, calling it disheartening. That's the response coming in from actor Rashmika. All right, I'm told we have Pratibha joining us live. Pratibha, over to you. What exactly has Rashmika said on this?
So, Madhav, the entire film industry speaking in one voice, saying the incident is extremely tragic, but you can't pin the blame on one person. The co-star of Allu Arjun, Rashmika Mandanna, has taken to social media X, and here's what she says. I can't believe what I'm seeing right now. The incident that happened was unfortunate and deeply saddening incident. However, it is disheartening to see everything being blamed on a single individual. The situation is both unbelievable and heartbreaking. So that's the word that has come in from Rashmika Mandanna.
All right, thanks so much for that quick update there, Pratibha. We have Somit also joining us. Somit, this is acquiring and snowballing into a massive controversy. Not only do you have big celebrities from Tinseltown coming out to condemn the arrest, but this has also sparked off a massive political fight there in Telangana and even Andhra Pradesh.
That's true, Madhav, in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, because former Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has attacked the Telangana government, and at the same time Telangana BJP leaders have attacked the Telangana government. Also, BRS top leader, working president KTR has attacked the Telangana government. They said that this is unruly and this is not necessary. And Allu Arjun is a pan-India star, national award-winning star, and he shouldn't be arrested just like a criminal. And we are right now reporting from the Chenchalguda Central Jail, and he is inside the premises right now. So very soon the High Court orders are expected here, and after the High Court orders copy will be submitted to the jail officials, then they will be taken into the consideration, accepted, then jail superintendent will consider whether he will be released today or tomorrow. But yes, the controversy is snowballing, Madhav. One side BJP is attacking the Congress government, the other side the BRS is KTS he has already attacked the Congress government, stating that Allu Arjun is being treated like a normal criminal, and even Y.S. Jagan has stated that this action is completely unruly, and Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has expressed profound sorrow over the tragic loss of the woman, but at the same time he said that this is unnecessary, and he has tweeted that actor Allu Arjun has shown a responsible approach in expressing the grief over the tragedy. However, he strongly condemned the move, making Allu Arjun as an accountable in this incident. And when it comes to the government, Madhav, it is very much clear.
All right.
Stand is very much clear, we can say, because the prosecution, the public prosecutor at the Nampally court has stated that Allu Arjun know about this, know about the consequences, and he arrived at the spawn, so he should be held accountable. All the accused have been arrested in this case, including Allu Arjun, should be sent to the judicial.
And the political reactions are just coming in at the moment. So stay with us. This is the latest coming in for the BJP leader T. Raja Singh in Hyderabad. Let's cut across.
इंटीमेशन देने के बाद में अगर पुलिस फोर्स व्यवस्था के लिए नहीं आती है तो किसकी गलती है? मैं आज मुख्यमंत्री रेवंत रेड्डी से पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या हीरो की गलती है? क्या हीरोइन की गलती है? किसकी गलती है? मुख्यमंत्री जी आप बताइए। आपका स्टेटमेंट आया कि कानून सबके लिए एक बराबर, कहां है? किधर है आपका कानून? जब से तेलंगाना में कांग्रेस की सरकार बनी है, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर तो पूरा ध्वंस हो चुका है। उनके अरेस्ट का मैं खंडन करता हूं, और ये सरासर गलत है।